Hey guys, I just quickly want to show you a bit about a transformer, and before you think, oh well, what's that? Or you're thinking, transformers in the sky. Well, transformers basically are taking over the world. Here you have one from a device and adapter. That's also a transformer. What you can see if you look at it, or any other adapter at home, you can see that it starts with 230 volts or something else, and it goes down in voltage. It steps down. That is a transformer. And in your computer as well, you have a power supply, and that power supply changes the voltage as well. A transformer is simply something that changes the voltage. And if you would open it and take a look at it, it is always something with a metal core, soft iron, and you have wires wrapped around it. And there are two wires wrapped around it. One is attached to the power supply, and one is attached to whatever you want to. So if I take a look over here at my adapter, then this side is adapted to the mains. So over here I would have the primary coil. You can see over here, this is called primary winding. And over here we have the secondary coil, the secondary windings. And what happens is that we have electricity going over here. This acts like an electric magnet. Then this picks up the whatever is going on, and then it makes it into electricity as well by something called induction, which you don't really need to know, but it's good to know. And then, as you can see, as you might guess, if we step down, then we have more windings over here than over there. And it's all about the ratio between the two. And so, as we said, we have a core with two coils, windings around it, and we have one side connected to the power supply. It's the primary side, and the primary side has a number of windings, and we have the other side connecting to the apparatus. It's called the secondary side, has a number of windings. The primary side has a voltage, primary voltage, and the secondary side also has a voltage, a secondary voltage. And then the ratio between the windings and the voltage is the same. So basically, what is all transformer all about? The transformer is then the ratio between the windings, UP over US, is equal to the number of turns or windings, the ratio of that, NP over NS. Primary voltage, UP, secondary voltage, US, secondary number of turns, NS, primary number of turns, NP. The ratio is the same. So if I would have over there 500 windings, and over there, and that is then NP, and over here I have 250 windings, so NS is 250, and we start with the mains with 230 volts, so UP. Then what it comes out of it? Okay, well, what do we have? We have this formula, we fill it in, 230 divided by what comes out is equal to 500 divided by 250. So that is half. So this should be half of that to have the same, sorry, it's 2 of course, same ratio. So then this number is 115. So if you find it difficult, you can either use a ratio table, or you can try to first calculate this, and then we have two numbers, 230 divided by something is 2, and then we use the trick. 6 over 3 is 2, then 3 is 6 over 2, so 230 divided by 2. Hey, this is it about this transformer, what you should be able to do with calculating. In class, I'm going to give a demonstration, and you need to predict the correct voltage of the different windings with different things. So we'll check then if you get it or not by